How to delete all TikTok videos at once. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply make sure that you're logged and then tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile, it will take you to your profile page where you can see all the posts that you have done, all the followings, followers list, and so on. So simply what you can do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. And as you tap on it, you can simply select on the option of settings and privacy. Now scroll down and under content and display, you can see the option of activity center. So tap on it. Here you can see there are different options. So simply scroll down and you can see the option of manage post visibility. So tap on manage post visibility and here you can see all your posts. Now if you want to delete it all at once, you can just select all your posts, tap on next, and you can just edit your privacy by tapping on only you and then tap on update. So what this does is it will delete all TikTok videos at once for your followers, but not for you. You'll get see all those only to you. So you can just go back and check over here, and there you go. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.